Hey everyone, welcome back to another one of my Kicking Horse construction update videos. So it's July 30th, 2023. We're coming up the east side, heading westbound today. As you can see here, the viaduct is pretty well completed on the eastbound lanes. That's what we're driving up right now. Here on the right side, they're putting in some sort of retainer wall here, probably so that the road on that side is probably going to be on dirt and pavement, so they don't want the dirt to slide out from under it. Anyway, that's my guess. Anyways, you can see along here on the right-hand side, they're putting up that retaining wall. So, before I go any further, I have to apologize for my last video with the music being too loud. That was my mistake, and I will correct it on this video, even if I do put music on it. So, if there is music on it, well, just forget about what I said. So here on the left-hand side, you can see they're getting ready, pretty close to paving that. Then we'll probably be going up that side while they do some work on this side. It's spitting rain a little bit today. Really busy. It's a Sunday. So traffic's really busy today. Anyways, my load's not very heavy, so I climbed the hill pretty good. I try to keep back from traffic so that I can get the best video that possibly can. Okay, so we're coming up to the bridge here. It looks like they're pretty well done. Any big construction jobs along here. Building. So there's this bridge that takes away that corner far off there in the by the track hoe there. Thank God. I hated that corner when I used to drive this highway. God, I hated that corner. So we're coming up here. Pretty well all this viaduct on the right-hand side is pretty well complete. They're just putting up the retaining wall on the right side of it. Now here, you remember this. I've been mentioning this cliff here, this rock. They blasted it and blasted it and blasted it. Well, look at this. They have got it almost ready for paving. Unfreaking believable. I am really impressed. So we're coming along here. Like, just check this out on the right-hand side. That's base for pavement. So here, coming up here on the right, again, is more viaduct. Getting ready to concrete the surface of it. Coming down to the rock cut. I'm sure it won't be long before they'll be paving this part too. A lot of idle trucks today. There still is a little bit of work going on, but not a lot. So here, this viaduct here on the right-hand side again, it is coming along like you wouldn't believe. Check this out. Won't be long before they'll be paving or laying concrete down on this. So I had somebody mention in my comments about concrete and cement. They said that they cemented here. That is incorrect. Cement is the powder that goes into concrete. Concrete has other additives in it that make it stronger. And along with rebar, it is one of the strongest building materials there is out there, combined. You put both, you take them away from each other, and they're as useless as can be. So here we are, more viaduct. This is coming along really nice. I'm guessing it looks like they're going to pave along that little section right there. So more viaduct. And that's about it. So I just want to mention, I'm going to be putting up some videos about the Quartz Creek and the Chase 4-laning. So watch that.